Step 3, execution of plan. After you start getting the investors to invest in your business, it's time for you to execute them together. So you have your plan, you've joined an investment club, and now it's time for you to sell your ideas to your fellow investors. However, it's imperative for you and your investors to be on the same page. Your investors will need to evaluate your ideas together to reach for your business's desired goal. It's advised that you start your plan as soon as you acquire the fund, regardless of the amount. When your business is making profit, people will naturally be more willing to invest in you. Always remember that profit is the key. It's better than revenue, a profit margin. Profit is everything. This explains why your investors will only be interested in your business's profit, not your revenue. While executing your plan, keep a journal or report about the execution and the outcome of your plan. This will aid as a reference for any future investment plan. Keep a record of the profit made as proof. A successful story will boost your credibility and status. In the future, this will increase the confidence of other investors to invest in your business.